Down the ramp and whirls around in this circle upside down. What? Try it. Hi, Ro. Okie dokie. What? Animal. Uh-oh. Good ride. A regular chip off the old weirdo, wouldn't you say?
Here, Gonzo. Here, Animal.
Huh?
Perfect.
No. No. Let's see. No.
Is that your move?
Yep. Yay! Fuzzy!
Boy, that's a whole bunch of moves.
That was pretty funny, you guys. Here, try these.
Wow!
Neat! Thanks, Rolf!
Hey, that was great, Skeeter.
Huh? Oh, thanks, Rolf.
Here, try a real trumpet. Na-na-na-na-na. No. Na-na-na-na. Yeah, that's it. Oh, hi, guys.
What are we supposed to be doing, Rolf?
Practicing.
Okay, then, what are you supposed to be doing, Rolf?
I'm writing a symphony.
A symphony? But you're just a kid, Rolf.
What difference does that make, Kermit? Mozart wrote his first symphony when he was about 9.
He did? Really? Wow!
Wow?
What is a symphony, Rolf?
It's kind of like a musical play.
Oh, goody! Like Annie! What do we say?
Well, you don't say anything, Piggy. There aren't any words, just music.
What? You can't have a play without words, huh, Nanny?
I'm sorry, Piggy, but Rolf's right.
There, see, Rolf? What did you say, Nanny?
Well, you can tell a story through dance, like your favorite ballet, Sleeping Beauty, or you could have a musical play with no actors or dancers, like Peter and the Wolf.
Peter and the Wolf?
Uh-huh. I have a wonderful recording of it from when I was a little girl, and some funny old musical instruments that you might be able to use in your symphony, Rolf.
Oh, goody!
They're in the attic. I'll go get them.
Gosh, Peter and the Wolf. It sure sounds good.
I wonder what it's about.
Funny?
It's about someone named Peter and a wolf. Oh, sorry.
The Muppets will...
Me! Far out, Kermit. I didn't know you could write music.
Neither did I, Rolf.
What me do?
Just keep practicing, Animal. I'm not sure where the big horn comes in yet.
Okay.
Gee, kids, the lights burned out in the attic, and I can't seem to find my records or those instruments.
Nanny, could you tell us the story of Peter and the Walrus anyway?
Not Walrus, Fozzie. Wolf.
Oh, okay. Tell us that one then.
Oh, boy.
Well, let's see. Peter was a little boy who was very athletic and adventuresome, like you, Skeeter.
Really?
Uh-huh. And he lived out in the woods with his grandfather.
Ooh, Grandpa.
Now, Peter loved to play in the woods near the house, even though there was a deadly wolf that lived nearby.
Huh? A wolf? What kind of neighborhood is this, anyway?
They didn't live around here, did they, Nanny?
Oh, no, Kermit. They lived in a tiny town in Russia, far, far away from here and a long time ago.
Phew.
Now, Peter's grandfather warned him again and again not to go out in the woods, but Peter didn't listen. And when his grandfather wasn't looking, he snuck out the door.
Then what happened, Nanny?
Well, it just so happened that Peter had a lot of little animal friends.
What?
That's right. First, there was the bluebird, who lived in the big tree outside of Peter's house.
Did somebody mention me? The bluebird of happiness here.
And the instrument playing the part of the bird was the piccolo, which sounds very much like your little sweet potato, Gonzo.
Gosh, so that's how birds make that tweeting sound.
You see, Fozzie, each character in the story is played by a different instrument. Next, there was the family duck.
Right, and ducks play these things. Oh, Nanny, I heard them at the park.
Oh, my!
Sorry.
Go on, Nanny.
And so, Peter and his friends walked along, catching the attention of Grandfather's friendly old tomcat, who joined them.
Huh? I don't see him. Do you?
No? Sorry.
Kitty, 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 kitty. Where were you?
Up in that tree.
Oh, boy, Peter. Does your grandfather choose his pets or win them at the carnival? Beats me. You're kind of weird, though, huh?
What happens now, Mr. Duck? I don't know. Sorry.
Where's that lady's voice? Yoo-hoo!
Oh, here I am, sorry. Peter and all his little animal friends walked deeper and deeper into the dangerous woods. Now to the hungry wolf, this group looked like a wonderful meal being delivered right to his doorstep. Anyhow, it wasn't hard for the wolf to figure out which one of these characters would be the easiest to catch.
Huh? Whoa! Who's the easiest to catch?
Mr. Duck?
Gosh, look, his quacker.
Gee, I guess the wolf got him. Why? Just because Mr. Kitty found his cracker on the ground? It was the wolf.
That's right. Before Peter and the others could do anything about it, the silly duck was gone.
Gone? Oh, bye-bye?
Yep, and Peter, the cat, and the bird knew they had to do something or the wolf would get them too. So Peter figured out a plan to capture the wolf.
All right.
Oh, my goodness, kids. I have work to do. Let's listen to the whole story on the record together later, when I have time to fix the light and find it, okay?
Okay, Nanny.
Gosh, I can't wait to hear the record.
Well, maybe we don't have to wait. What? It's simple. Nanny said she couldn't find it because it was too dark, right?
Yeah, so?
So we go find the record for her with this. Okay, who's coming with me?
Oh, gee, Skeeter, it's not that we don't want to, but...
Fine, I'll Nanny's proud of for finding her favoriteest record in the whole world and saving her the trouble. Help me in, Skeeter. I spilled those corn crunchies all over the kitchen floor this morning, remember? Huh? Yeah, well, Nanny didn't even get mad. This way I can thank her.
Hey, don't wait for me.
This way, fellow brave explorers! Let's go rescue Peter and the wolf from the attic and make Nanny proud of us.
Oh, wait for me, sis. I want to come too.
Gee, Kermit, don't we want Nanny to be proud of us too?
Well,
Let's get going!
Come on. Bye, animal.
See you, Wolf!
So long.
Bye-bye.
Gee, I don't remember the attic stairs looking this scary before.
I'll say.
Me either. Hey, this kind of reminds me of Peter and his animal friends going into the dark woods. Oh, that's a pleasant thought. Maybe the wolf won't know we're here.
Maybe. Put that thing away, Fozzie. Sorry.
Muppet Babies what we call.
Gosh, I didn't think they were that far ahead of us.
They're probably right up here. Oh, boy.
No wonder Nanny didn't want to come up here.
Yeah, it sure is dark.
Don't be such a scaredy cat, Kermit.
What was that?
Probably somebody starting up a snowmobile. Also, snowmobiles haven't been invented yet. These are the olden days, remember? Oh, well, then it was probably a wolf.
Sorry. What doing, Ralphie?
Dum 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 dum. Working on my music.
Oh.
What?
Fun, Papa?
Well, sorta. But you scared me.
What? Like wolf?
Kinda, but bigger. Give me the horn. There. Now blow into it.
What?
That's great, animal. Hey, you can be the lion in my symphony. It's the loudest part.
Me arm? Me can? Me elf?
Boy, doesn't take much to please that little guy, does it?
Piggy, are you sure? Nanny will be glad we found this thing.
No, but if Skeeter finds the records, at least we'll have something.
Right. Great.
Where is Skeeter anyway? Huh? Okay, you guys. Now we can't forget why we came here.
Right. Why did we come here, Skeeter?
To find Peter and the wolf, silly.
Right. I think the wolf found us first. We're surrounded. Run for your life. Here, give it to me, sis. There, the bulb was loose. 1, 2, 3. Hey, where's Fozzie?
Huh? He's gone.
Fozzie?
Where's Whoopi, huh? What do you mean he's not there? Oh, where is he then? Fozzie! Yoo-hoo! Fozzie! The wolf got him!
Poor Fozzie.
And it'll get us next!
Not if we get it first.
Huh? What? Are you crazy?
I saw this in a movie once.
Oh, great! It heard you!
And it's coming this way.
It sounds like Skeeter.
But it's coming from that way!
Come on.
Hurry!
Aha! Found it!
The record?
Nope, it's old tablecloth.
Oh, great! Let's have a picnic and invite Mr. Wolf!
Exactly.
Huh?
Now here's my plan.
You got it?
I think so. Whoa! I almost fell.
9 billion cats in the world, and I gotta team up with the one who can't climb trees. Okay, now remember, Mr. Kitty, on Skeeter's signal, I'll lure the wolf into the clearing, and on my signal, you drop the tablecloth on him, right?
Right.
Why don't I have a good feeling about this operation? Oh boy, it's showtime, folks.
Whoa! Let's see now. Skeeter signal. Whoop! Oh, no, that's not right.
Oh, what's the matter, Mr. Wolf? Hungry? Oh boy, don't try this stuff at home, kids.
Set the table. Gonzo's signal. What is Gonzo's signal?
What happened?
Piggy and Kermit are the wolf?
No! Piggy and Kermit are exhausted! I'm dragging this rubber piano all over the place looking for you!
Oh, sorry.
Wait a second. If Piggy and Kermit aren't the wolf, then the wolf is still loose! Huh? Animal?
Not wolf. Lion.
What do you mean you're a lion, animal? Yeah, you sound more like a garbage truck.
Ralphie say me lion.
Right. And a good lion you are, animal.
Hey, you guys, look what I found.
Kit?
Nanny?
Oh, my! I see you found my old accordion.
Oh, we did?
What? This? I think a train hit it, Nanny.
Oh, Kermit, accordions are supposed to be like that.
No wonder you keep it in the attic. Nanny, we've got some good news and some bad news for you. The good news is we found your record.
Let me see, Skeeter. Uh-huh. This is it. However, like Peter's grandfather, I'm not very happy you came up here without me. But I'm glad you found the record.
Yay! Found the record!
And what's the bad news?
Well, Nanny, you see,
The wolf ate Fozzie, just like the duck in the story, and all that was left of him was his whoopee cushion. Huh? Yeah, see? Sorry.
Fozzie's gone?
Fozzie's back. See? Whoa!
Yep, that's him, all right.
Uh-huh. You see, Fozzie got scared and he ran back to the nursery after the boxes fell.
Yeah, he's the one that sent Nanny up here with a light bulb.
Hello.
Yay! Fozzie's back!
Fozzie's okay!
Fozzie, okay.
Gosh.
Come on, kids. I made some nice hot cocoa for us to drink while we listen to Peter and the Wolf. And Rolf, I can't wait to hear your symphony. Oh, my!
Me lying, Mommy.
Well, that's nice, Animal. Come on.
Bodacious Bad Cat and his bizarre buds are coming up next. That's right, Garfield and Friends. So stay tuned to Kid TV, dudes.